Digestion begins in the oral cavity. When there is a presence of food, it triggers the salivary glands to release saliva into the mouth. In saliva, mucin is present that it is present and protects the soft lining of the mouth from abrasions and at the same time lubricates food so that it is easily swallowed. The pharynx is the junction that opens up to the esophagus and windpipe. The top of the windpipe moves up that its opening is blocked by a cartilaginous flap called the epiglottis. This controlled mechanism ensures that a bolus is guided into the entrance of the esophagus. This motion is called peristalsis, that moves food down to the stomach. The stomach is located in the upper abdominal cavity just below the diaphragm. The stomach performs important digestive functions. It creates a digestive fluid called gastric juices that mixes with the food by a churning action. Pepsin is present in gastric juices that breaks polypeptides into smaller polypeptides. Bolus then moves into the small intestines. The first 25 centimeters of the small intestine is called the duodenum, is where chyme mixes with acid juices from the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder and gland cells. The liver produces bile salts that are stored in the gallbladder until needed. Pancreatic amylases turn polysaccharides into maltose or disaccharides. Dioseptades attached to the wall of the intestine split small peptides into amino acids. Nucleases hybridize DNA or RNA into nucleotides into their component nucleotides. Small droplets of fat are exposed to lipase, an enzyme that hydrolyzes fat molecules. The remaining regions of the small intestine and duodenum and ileum mainly absorb nutrients and water. Microvilli and villi, right here, are exposed to the intestinal lumen. Other hormones called estrogen are secreted by the wall of the duodenum. The acidic the large intestine is connected to the small intestine, so the large intestine is right here, which absorbs water and is connected at a T-shaped junction. As waste moves through the digestive tract, it becomes more solid into feces. The rectum is the terminal portion of the colon where feces are stored until it can be excreted. So the rectum's right there. Two splinters are located between the anus and the rectum, right here, and is stored there until waste can be excreted.